One mistake you might commit when you're trying to make videos for your channel is you will sit there and ponder on trying to make a good video each and every time, and you will try to find some idea on the internet or some book and try to express it as if it was your own, and also by the way, give credit to the creator so that you don't sound like a dick when you have shared that idea. But bro, that is inauthentic. That is inauthentic. When you do that, you're not giving any work for your creative mind to work and put out some idea of your own. You're just trying to copy something. It's a good thing to copy something or take inspiration from, but but there should be some kind of work or some effort from your side also, because if it's not, it's just a waste of time, because you have to put some magic of your own, or else it's just the same thing. I was making this mistake. I sometimes still make this mistake of trying to find an idea so that I can, make a video about it and get more and more views and grow my channel and all these growth uh, metrics. I try to, mix it with the creative process of making a video so that I can, extract the maximum amount of growth a video can give me. But it's that when you make mistakes, it's that when you try to not be yourself, be inauthentic, and that is what makes your video not connect with the people. Mind you, not every one of your video which you have worked so hard and uh, completely put all your creativity into a video, and you might still not get any views, or you might still not get the results that you're expecting to. But still, creative process is a very long term game. It tests your patience, your grit, your discipline, your perseverance, and all these things. So whenever you're trying to sustain upon this idea of what, I'll take inspiration from others, and basically what you do is you just copy and just you know put it out as your own thing. Or even if you're copying and just giving it out to people and giving the credit to the original creator, it's not helping in any way to the viewers or even the original creator, because there is no addition of your effort or your own creativity. Because when you do that, whenever you're trying to share somebody's idea, it's best shared by them. They have already done it. And if you want to do it by yourself, then you have to put some effort of your own, or some twist or some magic of your own, so that that idea makes sense. And people can feel that, what, even I can take this idea, put some of my own creativity and share it with people. By doing that, you can in a way help the creator also, creator of that idea, and in a way help the viewer also. Because what happens is, when you put some unique magic of your own, sometimes the viewer you know gets or connects more with your point of view in or your point of view, when they are not connecting with the original creator's point of view. So yeah, try to put some of your own magic in the ideas that you're trying to share on your YouTube videos. Because most of the time, what I would do is I would try to learn something, and it's not just copying and sharing. You will be true to yourself, you will try to learn, but you might commit this mistake unknowingly, because I was doing this thing for a very long time. You might find a good idea that really inspires you and it teaches you a lot, and you might feel that, what, I'll give credit to the creator of this idea, and I'll also share it with people, so it might help uh, many people. But still, the idea that is expressed by the creator, if you just share it in the same way, yeah, it might be a different person, it might be a different style of sharing the idea, but even though if you give credit to the creator, it does not make any sense, because that idea is best expressed by the creator himself or herself. But when you put your own essence or your own magic into that idea and collaborate with the creator and you share it with the world, it's it's not completely different, but it's a little bit different. And when you do this for a very long time, when you're trying to become a little bit different, there will be a pattern created about you or your creative journey, which will people slowly start to recognize, and your own creative style will emerge out. This is how you bring that uniqueness for your videos. Because when you just, as I said, share those ideas from those creator, if you're just doing that, forget it, because they have done it in the best way possible, and that idea has spread to many people because it is best. If it was not that good, it would have not spread to many people. So don't make this mistake like me of trying to be inspired by some idea or trying to learn from an idea so that you can make a video about it. It You can do it for a couple of days, but it does not last long, because you won't be true to yourself. And when you're not true to yourself, your self won't agree with you to make more videos, so you will get off the consistency of making these videos. So don't commit that mistake. Whenever you're trying to share somebody's idea, even though you're giving them credit, try to add something of your own, a flavor of your own, a style of your own, so that it increases the value of the idea, instead of just giving the same idea again to the viewers back, because they already know it. Even if they discover it later, or even if they discover it through you, they'll feel the idea is expressed better by the original creator. I mean, I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say here, but try to put some essence of your own whenever you're trying to share some other creator's idea. It's best expressed as, try to collaborate with the creator instead of just sharing his idea and giving credit to him. And collaboration is not just about you interacting with the creator and trying to poach their brand and trying to gain some of their audience. That's not collaboration. What collaboration is, in the true meaning, what collaboration is when you take someone's idea, try to put some own essence of yours and try to improve that idea and then share it with people. Now I'll tell you how I am doing this currently in this video. I learned about non-competition in the book that I was reading, that is the Creative Act by Rick Rubin. And this idea inspired me, and before creating this video, I was doing this mistake again, that I was trying to learn it and share it with people so that it can help, because not many people read this book, right? So what I felt was, what, I learn this, I'll just share it. And it does not work like that, because when you try to do it, it does not feel true to yourself. It does not feel natural. It feels like you're, you know, just reciting the answer that you have by hearted for an exam. It just feels like the same thing. So what you can do is you collaborate with the creator. Right now, I feel that I collaborated with Rick Rubin when I started sharing the process of making this video and the mistakes that I was making and how I improved those mistakes by learning from the book The Creative Act, and applying it in my process and giving this lesson of, this is the mistake and this is how you don't do it, and this is the value that I'm currently providing to you. So don't make this mistake of, whenever you're trying to make videos, don't make this mistake of just taking the idea from the creator. And trust me, this is not easy to realize, because I have made this video, I have made this mistakes plenty of times. I just realized it now while reading the book. Okay, so don't beat yourself if if you have been doing this mistake for a very long time. Don't worry, it's natural. It's it's the process of discovering yourself in this creative works. So don't worry if you're currently doing the mistake. So just try to understand that when you try to apply your own essence or your own uniqueness to an idea, it helps more. It gives more credibility to the creator also, because his idea is trying to his idea is the main skeleton of the body upon which you can build as the flesh. I mean, just imagine the human body, and the original creator's idea is like the skeleton, and your uniqueness to it adds more flesh to it, and that's how you create a complete human. I mean, it's an quite weird example, but I hope you get it right. So yeah, that was about this video, and I don't know what I'm gonna title it. This is strange, man, because on YouTube there is this strange advice going around where they say that packaging is what everyone should focus on, and you should focus on creating your thumbnail and titles first, and then you should think of creating a video. And I feel that that process is only applicable to them, not me, because I don't work in their way where I try to make videos and then edit them, and because their process is so long. My process is I simply sit here, take ideas from the net and try to improve on them and try to learn from them, and then just share it with you guys. So I feel my process is different, their process is different. That's the reason I don't plan on titles before creating videos. I just make a video because whenever an idea interests me, it it captures my attention, and I spend a little bit of time looking at it, reading it again and again, and thinking about it. There are some minute or small realizations that I get each and every time, where I can improve my craft by 0.1%, I think. So see, so for so many days I was making this mistake of just sharing the ideas from the creators and giving them credit. It's fine, it's good whenever you're giving credit to other people, because it's not the point that you're giving credit to them, because on internet everybody can find an idea. So it's not about you giving the credit, because you can't hide as people did in olden days. So it's about what you're adding to the idea. It's about what you're trying to build upon the idea. That's what brings more value to the viewer. So yeah, that's about it. I think I'm just keep sorry man, it's not my first language, bro. English is not my first language, so I fumble a lot. I struggle to make sentences. So please forgive me, and thank you for bearing with me till here. Thanks for watching, and I'm working on some interesting ideas that I'll share in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye, bro. Bye.